What is your life going to mean? If your life is just one video game to the next, if your life is just one episode to the next of a show, what are you pursuing?
Number one, why do I want to do this? Why do I want to be this? Why do I think this is important?
If you have a dream, if you're gonna follow this, you can do whatever you want.
This idea that you can actually start to think about, I want to want something. Having that want to want is sometimes more important than actually doing what it is to achieve that. Because if you don't have that, you can't even start on your journey in the first place.
If you don't want, tell us. Go back to Dagestan. Without you or with you, there is always gonna be champions. With your name, this is your choice.
And life is like this. You gotta look in the mirror, what works for me? Where do I belong? What talents do I have? And don't try to strengthen your weaknesses. Phase one is find what talents you are and go for it. Go in that field. Everybody has a talent.
Why are you not using the strength? I don't get it. For me, I've never understood. If you have a strength, you must use it. It's a manna for you, actually. Allah has given it to you for a reason.
Why haven't you exploited your potential? Everybody has potential for something.
Allah has not burdened you with anything except what? Your own potential. In other words, did you have the potential to be better? Yes. Could you have done more? Yes. And Allah will hold you accountable for what you could have done. Not the bare minimum, but the maximum. Allah wants you to push yourself and push yourself and push yourself and show Him what you're made of.
You can't just wait for motivation. You can't wait for feeling happy. You can't wait for, okay, my mood's down, I can't do this. So the actions are consistent regardless of how you feel.
And despite how I felt, it doesn't matter. The difference between success and failures, successful people can battle through whatever they feel and get things done.
One of the biggest reasons why I become champion, I think this is about my mental part. How I can control my emotions. People ask me like, when you become champion, what you feel like? And I said, no, in my mind, I was always champion.
We cannot afford to be satisfied with mediocrity. We cannot afford it. Whatever you're doing, if you're memorizing, you could be memorizing better. If you're studying, you could be studying better. If you're working, you could have been working better. If you're volunteering, you could be volunteering better. Push yourself to better.
There is no room for laziness. Brothers and sisters, be focused. Why are you here? What are you trying to achieve? What is your goal in life? And what is your ultimate aim? Mine and your ultimate aim should be to prepare for the day we are going to meet our Maker, Rabbul Izzati wal Jalal.
Then you realize what you're really working towards. You're working towards contentment, meeting with Allah. That is our ultimate truth. You want to be able to show Allah that you did everything in your potential. That's what you want to be able to do.
What am I going to do in the next 16 years? What's the best thing I can do? Get ready to meet God.
As a Muslim, I always say, I strive for my Creator's respect because then I know that I'll get the creation's respect.
I'm always giving the praise to God. So that's why I'm as great as I am in this physical world, because I push Him first.
Well, Muhammad, we're running out of time now.